Hi there, let's play through Bring Me Little Water Sylvie a la Harry Belafonte. If you need to double check anything about the strum pattern, about the chord progressions, all that stuff, check out the tutorial. We're just playing it through. Nice low swing strum, warming up with this back and forth between A and A6. Up on that 6th fret. Remember, you can always slow down this video. Click on this settings wheel, go to playback speed. You can also leave a layer out. Just work on your strum, just work on the chords. Whatever works for you. All right, here we go. Sylvie, Sylvie, I'm so hot and dry. Sylvie, Sylvie, can't you hear me crying? Bring me little water, Sylvie. Bring me little water now. Bring me little water, Sylvie. Every little once in a while. Every little once in a while. Here's the verse. Sylvie says she loves me, but I believe she lied. She hasn't been to see me since the last day of July. Pre-chorus. Sylvie, Sylvie, I'm so hot and dry. Sylvie, Sylvie, can't you hear me crying? Bring me little water, Sylvie. Bring me little water now. Bring me little water, Sylvie. Every little once in a while. Every little once in a while. Verse 2. She bought me a little coffee. She bought me a little tea. Well, she bought me nearly every damn thing, but she didn't bring the jailhouse key. Pre-chorus. Sylvie, Sylvie, I'm so hot and dry. Little different here. Sylvie, Sylvie, little drink of water wouldn't satisfy me. especially if you're familiar with the other arrangement. It's a fun little difference there. Fun little different thing to try. That's my favorite part about